Hello everybody, Namaste. Welcome to my another video. Now today we're going to show you how to open up a back and a shoulder. So for that we need two blocks and a belt. We will shift our body towards the wall and adjust two blocks like you can see in the video, and take the belt on your back and adjust on your foot. Now press the palms to the wall and push your body backside. Try to open your chest and raise your chin higher more. Touch your head to the feet. So this is the way we can open upper back and a shoulder. Now adjust our body. Place the palms. So according your flexibility, we can shift our body front and a back. It depends on the person to person and their flexibility. If you are not much flexible, so you can literally far from the wall, where you can press the palms and keep the hands straightened and try to reach on your foot. We will take the belt on the waist to hold the foot. Mostly it's happen when we try to move our body back. So with the back, when we trying to move it back, our leg is going backside. So with the support of the belt, we can keep the body in the same line. We can hold our foot, and then with the support of the hands, we can try to touch the foot on the head. When we're trying this, we will inhale deep and push the body backside, and exhale, come back. Inhale, going back, try to touch the head. If not possible, whatever your body allows, just try. And exhale, come back. Keep trying like that one again. So in this way, we can effect on our upper back, and it will help us to open upper back. Few days of the practice or few months of the practice, you will be able to touch your feet on your head. Hope this way will help you to open your upper back and you will be able to touch the feet on your head. If you want to more interesting video like this, so please like the channel, subscribe the channel and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.